If you've been watching YouTube lately, everyone's talking about Google Anti-Gravity and Claude Code and their incredible tools. You can build full applications with them, but here's what those videos don't show you. You need to know what you're doing. Setting up databases, configuring backends, handling deployment, it all requires technical knowledge. And if you're just starting out or you don't want to spend weeks learning infrastructure, that's where all of it gets so overwhelming. Those tools are super powerful, but they are built for people who already understand development. Base 44 with Claude Opus 4.6 is different. It's built for everyone, and if you haven't heard about Opus 4.6 yet, it just launched as the newest and most powerful AI coding model, specifically designed for building complete applications. And it's now available in Base 44. Here's what makes it different, okay? Base 44 handles all the technical complexity automatically. Database generated, backend built and connected, authentication wired, deployment instant. Think of it this way. Opus 4.6 is the brain. Base 44 is the body. Together, they ship, and you just describe what you want. Today, I'm going to build a complete app with authentication, database, and backend from scratch. I've got the link to Base 44 down in the description where you can try it out for free. And I've also got a free community where I share all of my templates and prompts. But right now, let's hop over to the PC. Okay, so now we are over to the PC, and here's what we are building today. A language learning app that I am going to be calling Lingua Quest. Users can sign up, they can choose their language, they can go through vocabulary lessons with flashcards, they can take quizzes, they can track their progress with streaks, and if they want, they can even compete on the dashboard. This is a real app with real complexity, and we are going to be building this whole thing in just one session. So you can start for free if you want, but I would recommend the builder plan if you want to follow along. So that's what unlocks Opus 4.6 backend functions and also custom domains. Cool. So once you're in, you'll see this clean dashboard and there's a text box at the top, and that's where all of the magic happens. So pay attention to that. But before we type anything, let's go over to the model picker and then let's select Claude Opus 4.6. So this is going to ensure that every prompt that we send is powered by the best model available. And now we are ready. Okay, so now let's make the magic happen. Now here's where all of this gets so much fun. First, I'm going to turn on plan mode so I can plan with Base 44 on exactly what I want. Now, I'll enter my prompt, which you can just copy from the free school community. Link is in the description below. And see this Base 44? See what it's doing? It's now asking some questions. And it's also clarifying exactly what you want to build. And then I'm going to hit build and look at the panel. So Base 44 is working through the steps in real time. It's generating the database schema, it's creating routes, it's setting up authentication, it's building the UI components, and there's no terminal commands, just pure creation. And just like that, we have a working app. Now let me show you exactly what it just generated. But first, can you spot what's already working here? I mean, take a look at the top right. That's a fully functional sign-up and login system. There's no Firebase and no Supabase, no auth libraries. It just works out of the box. And that is insane. And I want you to check this out. We've got a language selection screen, flashcard lessons, a quiz interface, a progress dashboard, and a leaderboard. All of this from that single prompt. On any other platform, setting up the auth alone would take around 20 to 30 minutes. Here, basically took almost no time. Now, before we edit our app, let me show you something that's really cool. So, do you see this dashboard over here, this dashboard button? Now I want you to click that, and then I want to go to integrations. And this is where Base 44 becomes more than just an app builder. It's a full business platform. For this language learning app, you can add a premium tier, you can sell courses, you can charge for advanced features, you can do whatever you want, and Base 44 knows how to handle it. So I'm going to connect Stripe to offer a premium version of our app. Base 44 gives you 4 prompt options, and we want to create a subscription, so I'll just select that, and the prompt will then be added in, and then I'll just hit send, and there you have it. Stripe MCP is now installed in our app. Now, Stripe has been set up in test mode where Base44 gives me a test payment gateway. And I'll just quickly test this out just to make sure that everything is working. Okay, and from what I can see, good. It works perfectly. Now, all we need to do to make this functional is connect our Stripe account by clicking on the dashboard and then go to connectors and then just enter your Stripe API key. Okay, now we got that done. Now it's back to defining our app to make it as crisp as possible. Now, the first build is great, but it's never quite perfect. And that's fine because Base44 has a chat interface where you can keep refining. And now I want you to take a look at this. So I'm going to say add a streak counter that shows how many consecutive days the user has practiced. If they miss a day, reset it to 0. Opus then processes that, and within a few seconds, here we go. Streak counter is now added. It understood the context of the entire app and it made a targeted change, all from us giving it the correct instructions. Now let me try another one, okay? So make the quiz give instant feedback. Green check mark for correct answers, red X for incorrect, and show the correct answers if they get it wrong. And give it a few seconds and done. The quiz now has instant feedback with color-coded responses. Want to try one more? Let's do it. Add a flip animation to the flashcards. Let's make it smooth and natural. And there it is. The cards now flip with an awesome animation. This is the power of iterative building. You are not starting from scratch each time. You are sculpting the app into exactly what you want. Now, here's a feature that most people don't even know about: visual edit mode. This is where you can make changes to your app visually without writing prompts. And I want you guys to see what I mean, okay? So check this out. I'm going to click on visual edit mode right over here. And now I can click on any element in the app and I can edit it directly. Now I don't like the way these cards look over here, so I'm going to select it and then I'm going to enter a prompt to make them sharper. And there we have it. Now I'm even going to click on the colors and see the huge variations of colors that we have. I can play around to see which one I like the best, and out of these I think I'll settle for this medium tone. Now, I mean, look at this. You are seeing amazing stuff left, right, and center, but the best part is that all of these changes are saved automatically. You are not breaking anything, you're not touching any of the code, you are just designing visually. And Base44 updates everything in the background. Now this is perfect for those final touches, when you want pixel perfect control without writing another prompt, without getting in the way of yourself. You get the speed of AI building with the precision of manual design. Now let's test this, because we have to always make sure that everything works 100%. Now, watch this flow. I sign up, smooth. Okay, I select Spanish. Yeah, cool. The app loads my first lesson. I can flip through the flashcards. The animations are clean. Okay, let's take the quiz. Yeah, I'm getting instant feedback on every answer. I can check my progress. The streak counter is working and stats are updating. Okay, cool. And I mean, look at the leaderboard. It's already tracking my points. Everything is working. Base44 handles the hosting automatically. So if I just click on the dashboard on the top left, and then I can actually view the users, the data, the domain integrations, and everything else. The moment you build it, it's shareable. And I mean, you can even check how your app will perform for users before you publish. And all you have to do is just click on the top right and then select Act as a User feature, and here's what our users will see. So when you're happy with your app, publishing is just one click away. You can connect a custom domain and your app is live. It's hosted and it's ready for real users. If you want to publish for mobile devices, then all you have to do is just select mobile app, and Base44 will give you Apple Store and Play Store files while guiding you through the publishing steps. And remember, everything you build, all the code, all the data, all the design, it belongs to you. You can even export it to GitHub if you want to take it elsewhere. This, what we are looking at, is a game changer. So let me put this into perspective. If I built this same app the traditional way, React front-end, Node backend, database setup, auth configuration, cloud deployment, we'd be talking days of work, maybe a week if you're not doing this full time. But with Base 44 and Opus 4.6, I did it in just one sitting. That's not a gimmick, it's a fundamental shift in how apps get built. And these aren't just prototypes. The apps you build here are real. They are functional and they can handle real users. Whether you're a founder testing an idea, a creator building a tool for your audience, or someone who's always wanted to build an app but didn't know how to do all the coding, this is your way in. Okay, so if you want to try Base 44 for yourself, the link is in the description below. You can start for free, no credit card required, and if you want to build exactly what I built today, then join the free school community. I've put together a full library of Base 44 templates, prompts, and app blueprints that you can just copy and you can use them straight away. And here's what I want you to take away from this. At the start of this video, everyone was talking about anti-gravity and Claude Code like they were the only path forward. But the best tool isn't always the most technical one. It's the one that actually gets you to a finished product. Today, you saw that. The barrier is now gone. The only thing left is the idea. Now, it's up to you to go and build it. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.